Hello, just a short story. My insecurity seldom comes from my flat and lifeless hair. Today, I'll try volumizing it using hair rollers, spray net, powder, and hairpins. To start, I'm untying my hair, running my hair through the comb. By the way, this is a dirty hair. Haven't washed this for 2 days already. That's why, as you can see, I have an oily scalp. So I'll just put a powder on it to remove excess oil. I don't shampoo every day because it's really drying my hair. I'm just putting powder in every area of my scalp and just spread. I'm using these velcro light hair rollers I bought from Watson's, 250 pesos for 15 pieces already. Now I'm parting my hair starting at the back, and then I put a spray net, and then I place the roller under my hair, rolling it towards me, and then I'm using a hairpin to secure it in place. Then I'll just repeat the process on the other part of my hair. I'm continuously filming this to show how I part my hair. And by the way, I'm leaving this overnight, so we'll make sure that the back of my head is bump free. The first time I did this, I didn't use spray net, and my hair is the type that doesn't hold a style for so long. In short, first attempt was a failure. That's why now I'm trying if spray net would give me the result I desire. Here I ran out of hairpins, so I'm using a rubber band. And I'm just securing the other rollers to make sure they'll make it till tomorrow. And we're good.
Good morning! Good morning, young lady!
I'm removing it gently, careful enough not to pull hard the rollers from the hair as it may ruin the style. So all in all, I like the result. My hair looks healthy and bouncy and it really did volumize. And yeah, so I hope you like this video and thank you.